What up, YouTube? I'm gonna take a ride out today to meet some other Am Ryker riders because it's a ride for anti-gun violence today in Brooklyn. Alright, everybody. I'm not sure you've been keeping up with the news, but there's been a lot of random acts of gun violence happening in New York City. So Team Spider New York and a few other guys took a ride, got together and said they're going to do a ride through Brooklyn for anti-gun violence. We got a lot of Rikers, a lot of slingshots, a lot of bikes coming out today, going to ride through Brooklyn. Everybody's going to meet up in the Barclays. What I'm doing is I'm going to meet up with a few guys in the area, hook up with them, and they're going to ride out to the main meeting place, and then they're going to start to ride out. Unfortunately, I'm still waiting for my wheel nut to get fixed. I'm still waiting for the appointment to get the part put on. If you see in my previous video, my wheel nut cracked completely. I don't even know. The only thing's holding the wheel on is the ring. So since my ride is short, I said at least I'll hook up with the guys, go see what kind of Rikers they got out there. But I'm not going to be able to take the ride out to do the long ride. Don't want to risk riding like that, you know. Because if the Ryker wheel comes off, that's going to be a specialty tow. I'm looking at least $250 for the hookup on a flatbed and then take it to where I got to take it. So I'm keeping the trip short. I'm taking a risk, but it's a short trip. Like I said, I'll meet up with some of the other Ryker guys. But check out their Rikers, talk a little bit, and they're going to shoot out. But like I said, today it's a good cause. It's going to be a whole lot of bikes out there. Everybody's rallying against this gun violence. Quite sure you've seen all the talks. Gun violence is probably up everywhere, but in New York City it's crazy. But there's a lot of debates going on, the cause of this bail reform. Police, no respect for the police anymore, defunding the police, COVID, unemployment, job loss, and the debates go on and on. Hey, whatever your reason is, but I don't see how any of that could get fixed by taking a gun out and randomly firing out in the streets of New York. I mean, you hit a 1-year-old child, what cause did that fix? Hey, listen, man, there's so many debates and there's so many opinions, I can't call it, but at least people are getting together and they're showing up to the community to try to put an end to this, because the community needs to get involved. We can't just keep going, oh, let's call somebody to fix it. Let's call somebody to take care of it. Let's ask. Now is a good time for community involvement. We get out there and we help put an end to this random acts of violence. So like I said, I'm just taking a short ride and gonna meet up with the other Ryker guys, check out their bikes. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, follow my channel. You know, I got a whole lot of Ryker videos up, install vlogs, things like that. You know, I'm just trying to make my channel grow. You know, right now, you know, I met up with a few guys. I did a little bit of work on their Rikers. I just put some performance parts on. You know, just hooking up, trying to build the Ryker community up. A lot of guys been hitting me up. We got to hook up, but you know how it is. Everybody works. Everybody got a life. It's hard to meet. Like, this is a good run. Everybody meeting up for this one cause is nice. It's hot out today. I can't say unbearable, but it is pretty hot. Whatever, it's for a good cause. Like I said, too bad I can't do the full run. Hopefully, check out my social media pages. You'll see more and more of the runs, guys hooking up with their Rikers and everything. So, yeah, I should probably be hooking up with these guys in another 2 or 3 minutes. At the end of the video, we're going to chop it up. Like I said, as soon as I get that wheel nut replaced, I'll take care. I'll be out there riding. Right now, it would have cost too much for me to get it done myself. Purchasing the nuts, purchasing the tool, and then have to torque it down. Better off, since the recoiling is covered, they can take care of it. So, weather out there is beautiful, skies is clear. Got my little music on. Sucks that I can't really ride out, but it is what it is. But I'll hook up with these guys, see what's going on, and hook up for the next meet. So I should just be pulling up. Malls are still closed, y'all, if y'all see it up there in the background. Malls are still closed in NYC. Losing money. Like I said, man, guys coming out representing Brooklyn, representing anti-gun violence, good cause. Too many shootings going on. Out of control, man. Be pulling up real soon. Check out my peoples.
I do know on track.
All right, yeah.
You got a little chat, you know?
Yeah, no doubt.